Welcome, parents, to the Greenville County Schools Backpack for Parents training. You may be asking, what is Parent Backpack? It's an online application built by our Greenville County Development Team. It replaces the PowerSchool Parent Portal, and it's a central location that you can use to view your child's grades, attendance, and discipline incidents when you're logged into Parent Backpack. It works on any device, and it's mobile friendly. There are 3 ways that you can sign into Parent Backpack: https://gcsbackpack.com, https://parents.gcsbackpack.com, and https://www.greenville.k12.sc.us. If you log into the gcsbackpack.com page, you're actually logging into the student backpack page. Notice it has a green backpack. This is where your students sign in when they look at their account. If you went to the parents.gcsbackpack.com site, you would log straight into the Greenville County Schools Backpack for Parents page. This is a blue backpack with a clipboard and a check mark on it. This takes you directly to the parents page. The other way that we mentioned was the www.greenville.k12.sc.us page, and that's the Greenville County webpage. And from there, you would click on Students and Parents, and then it would take you to where it says Backpack Login on the left. That way, it's just a few more clicks. Now, when you go to the Student Backpack page, you are noticing the green backpack, and over on the right side, it says First Time Here, and there's an arrow pointing to where it says I'm a parent. That is where you would click to sign up. If you went directly to the Parent Backpack page with the blue backpack and the clipboard with the check mark, you would notice that it says the Parent Backpack is now available to all schools. Over on the right side of the page, it says Sign up as a parent, and it says that I'm a parent. The first time you create an account, we would like for you to click on the right side of the page, Sign up as a parent. The next part is very important. You will need to fill out all of these fields in order to create your account. You will need to put your email address. If you don't have an email address, you can create a free one with gmail.com or with outlook.com. You do need to fill in an email address here. Next, you will create a password. Your password will need to be a 10-character password, following the rules listed below. 1 uppercase character, 1 lowercase character, 1 number, 1 special character, 10 characters minimum, and no 3 or more repeated characters. Please remember this password because you're going to use it every time that you log in. You're going to need to type your first name and last name, then check the box that confirms that you're at least 18 years of age and you have a student enrolled in Greenville County Schools, and you will click Create My Parent Account. Next, you're going to check your email for a verification email. It looks like this. You will click on the blue button that says Activate Your Parent Backpack Account. After you click on that, then you will be directed to the Parent Sign-In page. You will put your email address, like we talked about before, and that 10-character password over on the left side, and then click the blue bar to sign in. Congratulations, you've made it to the page where you're now going to add your child. Add a current Greenville County School student on this page. Click the blue bar, and that will allow you to add your child. So you will need to know a few things about your child in order to complete this process. Of course, you will add the first name and the last name. You will add the student's date of birth and the student's ID number. If you don't know the student's ID number, you can always check their report card or their progress report, and their student's ID will be listed there. The student can also log in to his or her Greenville County backpack page, and in the student profile, they'll be able to see what their student ID number is. You will continue completing the answers to these questions. Your relationship to your student, do you have custody? Do you have legal authority to make educational decisions? You have to fill out each one of these answers. And then down at the bottom, submit the request to add a student. Next, you are going to visit your child's school to verify your identity. Make sure you take a government-issued photo ID with you to verify your identity. You can add other students in your family. If you have other children that attend Greenville County schools, you will repeat the process by clicking Add a Current Student for each child in your family. Please note that you will take your ID to each school. If you have multiple children in your family and they attend different schools, please take your photo ID to each school in order for you to be verified. And that concludes our training for the Greenville County Schools Backpack for Parents. Thank you so much for joining, and we hope you have a fabulous year.